Hello and welcome to this video about Autodesk software. Autodesk is a company that provides a range of software products for industries like architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, media and entertainment. Autodesk software has been extensively utilized across diverse industries, ranging from the construction of the One World Trade Center to the development of Tesla electric cars. In this video, we will take a look at some of the notable software products offered by Autodesk and how they are used in various industries. Autodesk's 3D modeling software is used for everything from design and manufacturing to simulation and construction. With over 100 products, it's safe to say that Autodesk is the indisputable king of the 3D modeling industry. Let's dive in and take a closer look. AutoCAD is Autodesk's most famous product and is the world's first CAD software for personal computers. CAD stands for Computer-Aided Design, which means that you use computers to draw plans for the things you want to build. This makes it easy to visualize your ideas before you actually start building. Before AutoCAD, engineers and designers had to draw all their plans on paper, which was time-consuming and error-prone. AutoCAD changed all of that, making the process much easier and enabling the creation of highly complex designs. Today, AutoCAD is used for a variety of purposes, but it's most widely used in the construction industry. It's gone through various versions over the years, and today it's the foundation for numerous other industry-specific tools like AutoCAD Architecture, AutoCAD Advanced Steel, AutoCAD Mech, and AutoCAD Electrical, just to name a few. Maya is another 3D computer graphics application that's used for making visual effects and 3D assets in video games and animated films. It uses the natural laws of physics to control the behavior of its models, creating hyper-realistic 3D effects. Next up is 3ds Max, a computer graphics program used for creating 3D models, animations, and photorealistic images. It's powerful enough to handle almost all stages of animation, making it a favorite among game designers, architects, and VFX artists. Next up is Fusion 360, a cloud-based platform that can do everything in one place, from creating 3D designs to prototyping products, collaborating, and running simulations. Moving on, there's MudBox, which is essentially a digital version of clay modeling. It's perfect for creating finer details and giving models more of a hand-sculpted feel, which is difficult to achieve in a standard 3D modeling software like 3ds Max. Next up is Arnold. Arnold is a rendering software used by big film studios for creating hyper-realistic models. It was originally created while making the Lord of the Rings movie and was later used as a full product for the first time in King Kong. Moving on, we have Revit. Revit stands for Revise Instantly, as its biggest feature is its ease of making changes. Revit is used specifically for architectural designing of entire buildings in 3D, with tools to plan and track various stages in the building's life cycle from concept to construction and later maintenance and/or demolition. It is such a powerful software that the One World Trade Center, which is the 7th tallest building in the world, was designed using Revit. Next, we have Navisworks, which is a project review software that combines 3D models from various sources to identify any potential issues. It may sound similar to Revit, but Navisworks itself is not a 3D modeling program but a project review software. For mechanical engineers, we have Inventor, which provides professional-grade mechanical design, documentation, and product simulation tools. Then there is tinkercad, which is a free entry-level 3D design software that is simple enough to run on a web browser and helps beginners to create their own 3D models from scratch. Moving on, we have Autodesk Formit Pro. It is sketching software for capturing your best ideas. Create design ideas anywhere on desktop or tablet, with mouse or stylus. Then there is Autodesk Infoworks, which is a powerful tool that allows you to literally pick your project site from the map and build a 3D model of the proposed project on that very spot. It is used for creating stunning proposals for building large projects like highways and townships and then simulating it under various conditions like floods and vehicular movements. Then there is Autodesk Vehicle Tracking, which is used to simulate vehicle movement so that engineers can efficiently design elements like roundabouts, flyovers, and parking lots. It is also used to simulate movements of trains and planes to design airport taxiways and railway tracks efficiently. Talking about vehicles, we have Autodesk VRED Professional, which is a visualization tool specifically made for automotive designers to create high-end photorealistic visual prototypes of vehicles. And if you're a product manager overseeing large projects, you'll love Fusion Lifecycle. This software brings all the project-related data, like bill of materials and team status, under one umbrella for efficient management. And for artists, Sketchbook Pro is an excellent drawing tool for rough sketching and freehand drawing. Moving on, Alias is an automobile concept design software used to create high-quality exterior designs of cars. And for wind tunnel testing of cars, planes, and buildings, there's Autodesk Computational Fluid Dynamics, which simulates fluid flow and heat exchange of various materials. If you're a contractor, fabrication is a set of software used to efficiently design, estimate, and fabricate various mechanical, electrical, and plumbing solutions for buildings. BIM 360 is a cloud-based platform used to coordinate large project teams, where any member can upload models, detect clashes, and resolve issues in real time. Recap Pro uses photographs and laser scans to create high-quality 3D models that can be imported into a multitude of Autodesk products. Civil 3D is basically AutoCAD heavily modified for civil engineers to design large infrastructure projects, including highways, junctions, and railway lines. Moving on, Netfabb is a 3D printing software that prepares, optimizes, and validates your designs to reduce build errors before 3D printing. And if you're into animation, you'll love Character Generator, an online tool used to generate fully customized 3D characters for animation purposes, and Motion Builder, which is used to animate 3D character models using motion capture to create realistic movements. Autodesk Drive, on the other hand, lets you view any CAD file you have, no matter if you have that software or not. Autodesk also has a wide range of add-ons, plugins, and extensions in their App Store, giving you the flexibility to tailor these tools to each project's unique needs. That's all for today. If you enjoyed watching this video and want more such videos, consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching.